New York is my favorite city. My favorite city is New York. Last night, I saw a great movie. Last night. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. My camera works well in low light. Last week, I lost my camera. Shoes are cheaper online. I need a new pair of shoes. Lately, I've been really tired. Lately. This afternoon, I was on call. I went to a movie this afternoon. The dining room isn't used much. We rarely eat in the dining room. John said I could borrow his car. I'm going to dinner tonight with John. Saturday, I'm leaving for Cancun. I have to work all day Saturday.